Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you a complete review of the Mahindra Scorpio-N, taking it to new heights with stunning design, powerful performance, and amazing features. Mahindra Scorpio-N, a revolution in the Indian SUV market. The Mahindra Scorpio-N has brought a new revolution to the Indian automobile market. As one of Mahindra's most popular SUV models, it offers a perfect blend of stunning design, a powerful engine, and advanced technology. The new Scorpio-N is not just for SUV lovers, it has also become an ideal choice for off-roading enthusiasts and long-distance travelers. Bold design and sturdy build. The Mahindra Scorpio-N boasts an attractive and rugged exterior that gives it a premium and sporty look. The muscular grille, LED headlamps, and DRLs enhance its front profile, making it even more striking. Sharp body lines and robust alloy wheels add to its aggressive stance, while its long wheelbase and high ground clearance ensure stability on both city roads and challenging terrains. Powerful engine and performance. The Mahindra Scorpio-N is available with two engine options. 2.0-liter M-Stallion turbocharged petrol engine delivers 200 brake horsepower of power and 380 Nm of torque for a smooth driving experience. 2.2-liter M-Hawk diesel engine generates 172 brake horsepower of power and 400 Nm of torque, making it perfect for off-roading and long journeys. Both 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmissions are available, offering flexibility and comfort in driving. The 4x4 drivetrain ensures excellent performance even in harsh road conditions. Premium and comfortable interior. The interior of the Mahindra Scorpio-N is designed with luxury and advanced technology in mind. The dual-tone dashboard, premium leather seats, and large touchscreen infotainment system add to its appeal. Interior features. Heavy checkmark 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Heavy checkmark Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Heavy checkmark electric sunroof. Heavy checkmark dual-zone climate control. Heavy checkmark wireless charging and USB ports. The Scorpio-N comes in 6-seater and 7-seater options with ample legroom and headroom, making it perfect for family and group travel. Advanced safety and technology features. Mahindra has prioritized safety in the Scorpio-N by including top-notch safety features such as heavy checkmark 6 airbags, heavy checkmark ABS with electronic brake force distribution (EBD), heavy checkmark traction control, heavy checkmark hill hold and hill descent control, heavy checkmark 360-degree camera and tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS). These features make the Scorpio-N a safe and reliable choice for both city and highway driving. Smart connectivity and advanced technology. The Scorpio-N is equipped with Mahindra's Adreno X connectivity system, offering telematics, voice commands, and remote access features. Users can control features like geofencing, vehicle tracking, and door lock/unlock through a mobile app. Variants and pricing. The Mahindra Scorpio-N is available in multiple variants, including Z2, Z4, Z6, Z8, and Z8L. The base variant, Z2, comes with a powerful engine and essential safety features. The top-end variant, Z8L, offers premium interiors and advanced technology. The starting price is around 13.50 Indian rupees lakh, while the top model goes up to 24 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Why is Scorpio-N the best choice? With its bold looks, powerful performance, and advanced technology, the Mahindra Scorpio-N is an ideal SUV for Indian buyers. Whether for long journeys, off-roading, or city driving, it offers the perfect combination of strength, style, and innovation. If you're looking for a rugged, stylish, and feature-packed SUV, the Mahindra Scorpio-N is the perfect choice. And #128664 and #128293. Thanks for watching. Meet in the next video.